Coverage you can count on. This is Eyewitness News on Fox Providence.
Well, there's some humidity in the air, and one way to condense that humidity is to cool the atmosphere down. When that happens, the humidity condenses, you get low clouds and sometimes fog. So that's the process that's going on right now along the South Shore, where we have some dense fog. Look at the high temps today, upper 60s to low 70s inland, and we'll do a carbon copy of this for tomorrow afternoon as well. And temperatures set up pretty much like what we had today. The inland areas, lower 70s. You get closer and closer to the coastline in the 60s. You'll start off with fog down here. It may take until 10, 11 o'clock in the morning for it to burn off. As we take a look at the Easton's Beach down in Newport, it's down there somewhere, but you can see the utility pole over here. So real thick fog down in Newport, and even North Kingstown. Normally when we have this picture at night, you can see lights across Narragansett Bay off in the distance. You don't even see those lights off in the distance, so some fog here creeping up the bay. Temps now are in the 50s inland and upper 40s along the South Shore. Newport 47, into Bedford coming in at 49. Westport, there's that saturated atmosphere right there with relative humidity coming in now at 100%. So our threat tracker, we're going to bump things up to yellow now overnight through tomorrow morning. So we'll go with a pinpoint weather alert just for a heads up for travelers overnight, and especially early tomorrow morning, and especially along the South Shore, Narragansett, Newport, the lower part of the bay, Route 1, going over the Pell-Newport Bridge, Mount Hope Bridge, Jamestown Bridge. Those visibilities are reduced at 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, so be mindful of that. But by late morning and afternoon, you're looking good. You've got the sunglasses out, but you can see the low clouds offshore moving towards the coastline. But overall, New England's fairly quiet, and really the eastern half of the country doing pretty well. So we've got some quiet weather next couple of days, even though this system across the Central Plains arrives a Thursday evening with a front. We may see an isolated shower Thursday evening, if that, but really most of your Thursday is actually dry. So it starts off foggy early in the morning, especially as you near the bay, the lower bay, the South Shore, but sunshine eventually takes over. Temps starting off in the 50s, and then during the afternoon hours, again, much like today, we should be in the lower 70s with sunshine, an ultra nice, beautiful day. Subtract about 5 to 10 degrees along the immediate South Shore. And I don't have any really much of the way of raindrops for Thursday. Temperatures are pleasant at around 70. We'll start with sunshine, some clouds increasing in the afternoon. With the approach of a cold front, there may be a brief isolated shower sometime between 5 in the evening up until about midnight, and even this chance is pretty slim, so most of your Thursday is mild and dry. Friday is looking good once again with seasonable temperatures starting off with sunshine, some late day clouds, highs in the upper 60s to low 70s. Mother's Day weekend is still a real tough call, both Saturday and Sunday. You see the raindrops. If there's any good news, I don't think either day is a stormy day or a washout, but rather the chance of a shower or showers both days. I think there's opportunities to get outdoors both days. We're going to try to nail down the timing on this. Hopefully it's mostly at night, but stay tuned. The temps over the weekend, upper 60s to near 70. So pretty thick tomorrow morning along the coastline, but improving by noontime.
All right. Thank you, Tony.